Your another client just ghosted you again. And nobody on your team even notices until the slot was already gone. And also remember, average MedSpa clinic loses between $3,000 to $8,000 every single month. And it's not from bad services, but from appointment no shows and last minute cancellations. So the core revenue problem here is no show and last minute cancellations and missed reminders. And it's happening to you right now, but you don't have a number to prove it yet. And for this exact problem, many MedSpa owners are trying to solve this manually, but the approach always fails at scale. And by the end of this video, you are going to see the exact AI system I built that spend personalized appointments, reminders, and handles rescheduled requests every single day without your team lifting a finger. And remember, for this problem, there's a solution that already running in many MedSpa clinics and producing measurable results. So the core problem is operational reality. A busy day at MedSpa, back-to-back appointments, a small front desk team juggling phones, walk-ins and paperwork and many other stuff going. And when a reminder does not send, nobody notices until the client does not show up. And remember, it's a repeating and predictable problem in the business model. As for staff forgot to follow up or response too late, and that's the only reason client ghost you. And here's some common misconceptions. People cancel last minute and you can do nothing, but it's totally wrong. As for if a client gets a well-timed personalized reminder within 24 hours before their appointment, they are less likely to ghost. As a client who got frictionless ways to reschedule is more likely to book another slot with you. And at the end, the issue is not the client behavior. It's your fault. It's your system. And the real issue is not even a staffing problem. Even hiring another receptionist does not solve a system problem. It's just add payroll. And it's not even a marketing problem. You don't need more leads if you are leaking that once you already have. This is a workflow automation problem, and that means it is entirely solvable with the right technology. And what if clients receive a perfectly timely reminder every time without you even thinking about it and also without any kind of human input? So now the real question is why this even happens. It's mostly because of broken manual workflow. Receptionists check the calendar manually each morning if they even remember it. They also call and text client individually with inconsistent tone and inconsistent timing. No standardized message, no rescheduling, and also no logging who was even connected. And also the main problem of humans, if the receptionist is busy, sick, or overwhelmed, the reminders simply don't even go out. And it's time consuming, inconsistent, and entirely depend on human. And here's the system gap. Most booking platforms send a single automated confirmation at the time of booking and nothing else. No follow up before 24 or 48 hours of appointment. No personalization at all. It's just a generic message sent to everybody. And also the main problem, there is no built-in way that the client can reschedule without calling the front desk, creating friction that often results in a silent no-show interested. And the breakdown occurs, the gap between booking confirmation and appointment day is where most no shows are born. If a client book 3 week outs, receive no further communication and the client simply forgets about it. And without a system that bridges the gap productively, personally and consistently, and the leak continue. And because no one is tracking it properly, most owners don't even know the true cost of the problem. And here's a simple financial effect. The baseline is average mid-size med spa from 30 to 50 appointments per week. Industry data show that 10 to 20% no show and the same day cancellation happens. For a med spa averaging $250 appointment, a 10% no show, it's 40 appointments per week. It's like $1,000 in lost revenue. And here's some simple numbers. $1,000 per week is equals $4,000 per week, which is like $48,000 per year. High ticket services like injectables, laser treatment, body contouring can even cost more, averaging from $400 to $600. And the loss is even more. And also remember, This does not include the indirect cost. For example, the staff time spent chasing clients, the cost of unfilled slot that could have been given the waitlist client, and the operational distribution of unexpected gaps. And here's the real revenue opportunity. The goal is not just to stop losing money, it is to recover the redirected revenue that you are losing for no reason. And a 50% reduction in no shows on the above example recovers $24,000 per year from a single automation running silently in the background that you don't even know about it and you don't even need to manage it. And frame this as a ROI. If this system costs a fraction of what it recovers, it's not a cost. It's an investment for your business that can recover and make you revenue over time. So now that we understand what this problem really is and what is costing you, let me show you the AI system that exactly fixes it. This is the AI system named the MedSpa Appointment Reminder and Reschedule Appointment. And this is not a single tool. It is layered workflow that connects your calendar, your AI messaging engines, your client's inbox and phone, and your record system into a one seamless loop. It's run every single day at 9 a.m. without any human trigger and handles every client on that day. And here's are the five core components of this system. At first, it intelligent schedule synchronize, contact directly to Google Calendar to pull the dates appointments in real time, client data extraction, reads and organize each client name, contact details, treatment time, and appointment time. AI message generation generate a personalized professional reminder for each individual client, not a template blast. And also dual channel delivery sends both an email and a SMS, maximizing the chance that the client actually receives and reads the reminder. At the end, automated login record every reminder, set client name, contact info, treatment time, and delivery information to a Google Sheet for full accountability and reporting. And why this is a different approach? Most reminder systems send a simple generic message, but system uses AI to generate continuous relevant human sounding messages for each client individually. And also its dual channel approach of emails plus SMS address different client communication preferences without any additional manual effort. And at the end, automatically Google Sheet logging, create and record that practice managers and owners can review at any time, essential for accountability and compliance. And here's a step-by-step mechanism. As for the system is built in Antitent, so let's get there to see how the system even works. This is the simple system I built in Antitent that work daily at 9 a.m automatically without any human trigger needed. Then it will get your Google Calendar latest events. After getting the Google Calendar event, it will get all of the data, all of the description data from client name, email, phone, treatment, appointment time, etc. and output it as JSON like in different formats and send everything to generate reminder AI that will generate reminder of email and SMS and send it directly to client without human input. And at the end prepare log data and add everything into Google Sheet like this from client name, email, phone, treatment, appointment time, reminder set time, and a short status that it's sent. And in the generate appointment AI, you can easily add your reschedule link. And here's a simple before versus after. Before reminder responsibility falls on 1 to 2 front desk staff who are already managing calls, walk-ins, and admin tasks. And also reminders go out inconsistently, sometimes the morning of, sometimes the day before, sometimes not at all. And also messages are too generic, no log and no tracking at all. When a client no shows, the team find out in real time the slot is wasted, no warning and no recovery option. And after the systems run automatically, no staff, zero staff involvement required, runs every morning 9 a.m. Each client on the day's schedule receive a personalized professional word reminder by both email and SMS. And also the personalized reminder include a direct reschedule link. Every reminder is logged with the full timestamp and client record, complete accountability, zero guessworking. When a client cannot make it, the Medspa knows in advance, giving the team time to fill the slot from a waitlist or offer it to another client. And here's the headline shift. From reactive to productive, the Medspa stop finding out about no shows and start preventing them. You go from slow to instant, a process that took 30 to 60 minutes of manual work each morning now runs under 60 seconds. And also, you go from revenue leak to revenue made. Every appointment is actively protected, no passively hoped for. And here's the result and business outcome. Conversation improvement. You get a consistent, timely reminder system. Typically see no show rates drop by 30 to 60% within the first 30 days of implementation. Because the AI messages include a reschedule link, client who can't attempt are now linked to rebuke rather than disappearing, converting a cancellation into further appointments. Also, the personalized dual channel approach leads to higher open rate and response rate comparison to generic simple channel reminder systems. Book appointments and revenue recovery. Freed up slots from advanced cancellation can be immediately offered to waitlist clients, turning a potential loss into a filled appointment using the earlier financial models, recovering even 40% of no-show revenue for a mid-size med spa clinic is like $10,000 to $20,000 annually returned into business without hiring any other staff. Multiply that across multiple treatments, room for a barrier schedule, and the system's revenue impact compounds significantly. Also, the operational efficiency and lower cost per acquisition. Front desk staff recovers 30 to 60 minutes per day previously spent on manual reminders, calls, and texts. Time that can be redirected to client experience. Also reducing the no-show means the MedSpa, the spa maximizes the return every marketing dollar spent on acquiring the client. They build in reporting with Google Sheet logging, zero additional admit work, giving owner data-driven insight into their booking operation for the first time. And as for this systems run every morning, reminds every client, log every interaction, and protects your revenue completely automatically without you hiring any other staff. And if you want systems like this for your MedSpa clinic, you can book a free strategy call link in description. And as for the technology exists, that system is ready. The one question is how much longer MedSpa clinic will keep running without it.